Hey everyone, I just wanted to share my personal experience with Bamboo Insurance's customer service because honestly, it surprised me in the best way possible. If you've ever dealt with insurance companies before, you probably know how frustrating it can get. Long hold times, confusing policies, you name it. But my recent experience with Bamboo was the complete opposite. The situation. So here's what happened. I needed to update some information on my homeowner's insurance policy, simple, but I wasn't sure if it'd affect my premium. Normally, I dread making that call. But I decided to give Bamboo a try, since I'd heard they were known for fast and friendly service. The interaction. Within a minute, I was connected to a real person, no endless phone menus, no robotic loops. The representative, use a name like Jessica if you'd like, was calm, professional, and honestly sounded like she wanted to help, not rush me off the phone. She walked me through my policy, line by line, explaining exactly how the change would affect it, and she even emailed me a summary breakdown before we hung up. The whole call took less than 10 minutes, and by the end, everything was updated, confirmed, and documented. No back-and-forth emails, no waiting days for a response. Why it stood out? What really stood out was how clear and transparent they were. There were no hidden fees, no confusing terms. I actually understood my policy better after that one call than I did when I first signed up. They even followed up the next day with a quick check-in email, not automated, just making sure everything was good on my end. Educational takeaway. If you're looking for insurance, or you already have a policy, here's my advice. Don't just focus on price. Customer service matters just as much, because when something goes wrong, that's when you'll really see the difference. Bamboo proved that insurance companies can be easy to deal with, responsive, human, and genuinely helpful. That was my experience with Bamboo Insurance, and honestly, I couldn't be happier. If you've had a similar story, or even a totally different one, drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear how your insurance experience went. Thanks for watching, and here's to companies that actually put customers first.